Welcome to the enchanting world of carambola, commonly known as starfruit, a tropical delight cherished not only for its unique star-shaped slices, but also for its crisp texture and refreshing flavor. This video will take you on an in-depth journey through the entire life cycle of the carambola, from its origins in the lush landscapes of Southeast Asia to its current status as a popular fruit enjoyed worldwide. We'll explore the cultivation practices, harvesting techniques, and innovative processing methods that transform this exotic fruit into a variety of culinary and commercial products. Carambola, scientifically known as Varroa carambola, belongs to the family Oxalidaceae and is native to the tropical regions of Southeast Asia, including the Philippines, Indonesia, and Malaysia. This fruit has adapted to a range of humid tropical climates and is now cultivated in similar environments around the globe, such as in parts of South America, Florida in the United States, and the Caribbean. The carambola tree thrives in well-drained, loamy soils and requires a significant amount of sunlight and regular rainfall to produce fruit that is optimal in both taste and nutritional quality. The origin of carambola is believed to be in the Moluccas and the Malay Peninsula, where it has been grown for several centuries. From these regions, carambola has spread to other parts of Southeast Asia, thriving in the humid tropical climates of countries like Malaysia, Philippines, and India. Its adaptation capabilities are notable, as the tree has managed to thrive in a variety of tropical and subtropical environments across the globe. Carambola trees prefer well-drained, loamy soils and are quite tolerant of soil variations, although they need protection from frost and extremely high winds. The tree's resilience and the fruit's increasing popularity have facilitated its spread to other tropical regions, including parts of South America and the subtropical regions of Florida and Hawaii in the United States. Globally, the cultivation of carambola has expanded due to its increasing popularity, not only for its unique appearance and taste, but also for its versatility in various culinary applications. Sustainable farming practices are essential in carambola cultivation to ensure environmental compatibility and economic viability. This includes the integration of organic farming techniques that minimize the use of synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, enhancing the appeal of carambola as a naturally grown fruit. The economic impact of carambola is profound, particularly in regions where it is extensively cultivated. In countries like Malaysia, the Philippines, and even parts of the United States, such as Florida, carambola contributes significantly to agricultural revenues through both domestic sales and exports. The fruit's exotic appeal makes it highly sought after in international markets, particularly in Europe and North America, where consumers are willing to pay premium prices for high-quality, exotic fruits. This global trade not only boosts the economies of producing countries, but also encourages the sustainable cultivation of carambola, aligning with global demands for environmentally friendly farming practices. Governments and agricultural organizations often provide support through research and development initiatives aimed at improving yield, pest resistance, and fruit quality, further stimulating economic growth within the sector. Global cultivation of carambola reflects its rising popularity as both a culinary delight and an ornamental tree. In countries like Brazil, Colombia, and Australia, carambola is commercially grown for both domestic consumption and export markets, which value the fruit for its unique shape, flavor, and potential health benefits. In these regions, agricultural techniques have been adapted to maximize yield and fruit quality, including the use of advanced irrigation systems and controlled fertilization practices. Sustainable farming practices are also being implemented to ensure that carambola cultivation does not adversely affect the local ecosystem, promoting biodiversity and reducing the use of chemical inputs. The global spread of carambola cultivation is a testament to the fruit's adaptability and the shared knowledge among growers worldwide to optimize its production in diverse climates and soil conditions. The uses of carambola extend beyond fresh consumption. It is a staple in many culinary traditions where it is used in salads, juices, and as a garnish due to its decorative appeal. Additionally, carambola is valued in the health food sector for its low-calorie content and rich vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidant profile, making it a favorite among health-conscious consumers. Carambola is incredibly versatile in the kitchen, making it a cherished ingredient among chefs and home cooks alike. Its unique star shape when cut crosswise adds visual appeal to any dish, making it a popular garnish for cocktails and seafood platters. Beyond its decorative use, carambola is delicious in fruit salads, blended into smoothies, or used as a tangy addition to salsas and chutneys. Its slightly tart, sweet flavor complements spicy dishes and can be cooked down into preserves or jams that capture its tropical essence. In some culinary traditions, carambola is stewed with spices like cloves and cinnamon to create compotes that serve as a delightful topping for pancakes, waffles, or yogurt. Cultivation practices for carambola focus on selecting varieties that are best suited to local climatic conditions and soil types. The trees are typically propagated from seeds or grafting, which ensures genetic consistency and fruit quality. Optimal planting techniques involve spacing the trees adequately to allow for ample growth, air circulation, and sunlight penetration. Soil health is maintained through the application of organic matter and regular mulching, which helps retain soil moisture and control weeds. In cultivating carambola, farmers must carefully manage several factors to ensure optimal fruit production. The plants require a substantial amount of sunlight and thrive in temperatures between 68 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. While carambola trees can tolerate various soil types, they perform best in slightly acidic to neutral, well-draining soils. Regular pruning is essential to maintain tree health and maximize sun exposure to the branches, which encourages more fruitful yields. Integrated pest management strategies are also vital, as carambola trees can be susceptible to pests such as fruit flies and aphids, as well as diseases like leaf spot and root rot. Domestic cultivation of carambola offers a delightful opportunity for gardening enthusiasts to bring a touch of the tropics into their homes and backyards. Growing carambola domestically requires some understanding of its needs, such as ample sunlight and protection from cold temperatures. The tree can be grown in large pots or containers where soil conditions and moisture can be controlled effectively. This makes it feasible to cultivate carambola in non-tropical climates, provided they are kept in a warm, sunny location, such as a greenhouse or a sun-drenched patio during the warmer months. Regular pruning and container-appropriate fertilization are key to managing the tree's health and fruit production, allowing even those with limited space to enjoy the pleasures of harvesting fresh carambola directly from their own plant. Harvesting carambola is a delicate process that requires careful timing to ensure the fruits are picked at peak ripeness. The fruits are harvested manually to prevent bruising and damage, as the skin of the carambola is quite thin and delicate. Harvesting usually occurs when the fruits turn from green to a bright yellow with slightly brown ribs, indicators of optimal flavor and texture. Once harvested, carambola undergoes a meticulous post-harvest process to ensure it reaches consumers in the best possible condition. This includes immediate cooling to reduce respiration and prolong shelf life, followed by careful sorting to grade the fruits based on size, color, and quality. The fruits can be further processed into slices, juices, or purees, which are then used in various food products or packaged for sale in fresh form. Processing techniques for carambola vary depending on the intended use of the fruit. Fresh carambolas are carefully washed and sorted before packaging to ensure they meet food safety standards. For processing into juices and purees, the fruits are de-squeezed and pulped, with some manufacturers opting to pasteurize the product to extend its shelf life without preservatives. Freeze-drying and dehydrating are other methods used to preserve carambola, which retains much of the fruit's flavor and nutrients, making these products popular for snacking, baking, and as additions to health foods. Each processing method is designed to maintain the integrity and distinct qualities of the carambola, ensuring that consumers enjoy the best of what this exotic fruit has to offer, regardless of their geographic location. In terms of marketing and economic impact, carambola contributes significantly to the local economies of producing countries. The fruit is not only sold locally but also exported to international markets, providing a valuable source of income for farmers. The global demand for exotic and nutritious fruits continues to drive the expansion of carambola cultivation, making it an important crop in international trade. Interesting facts about carambola include its use in traditional medicine to treat ailments such as coughs, fevers, and inflammation. The fruit's high oxalic acid content also makes it unique, as it requires individuals with kidney issues to consume it with caution. Carambola's rise in popularity has spurred a wealth of curiosities and lesser-known facts about the fruit. For instance, while most people enjoy carambola fresh, in its native lands, the unripe fruit is often used in cooking because of its firmer texture and more astringent flavor, which adds a delightful complexity to many dishes. Additionally, carambola is also known for its fluorescent properties under ultraviolet light, where the edges of the star-shaped slices emit a beautiful glow, adding an unexpected twist to culinary presentations. As we conclude this exploration, the journey of the carambola from a regional delicacy to a globally recognized fruit exemplifies the intricate blend of tradition, cultivation, and innovation that characterizes the agricultural world. This narrative not only enriches our understanding of carambola but also highlights the importance of sustainable practices in preserving the delicate balance of our ecosystems. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive tour of carambola production. Whether you are a farmer, a culinary expert, or simply a lover of exotic fruits, carambola offers a taste of the tropics that continues to fascinate and delight palates around the world.